Lime is a good substitute for lemon. Both are citric fruits, with acidic taste plus vitamin C and potassium content. The main difference is that lime is sweeter than lemon. Also, lime is smaller regarding size and green instead of yellow. Lime can be used as a one-to-one replacement and has a very similar taste and acidity level. When canning or preserving food, it is the ideal substitute for lemon juice because it has a similar pH level. Yes, lime is the perfect substitute for lemon, having almost the same flavor and properties. The lime juice is a little less sour and more flavorful, but the difference won't be significant. Also, the rind of lime can be used as a substitute for lemon rind, just be mindful that the lime is more green than yellow. Lime is a good substitute for lemon. Lime has less vitamin C when compared to lemons, and they are slightly sweeter in taste. However, these differences are very small. Lime is a good substitute for lemon because it has the same taste and acidic level and pH. So lime and lemon are good substitutes for each other.